concern ko na. Sorry, hindi pala sila pag good person. Kita-kita sa camera na mabait ako patrabaho.
Gawag pang
Yeah, she's working. We're all working. Yeah, tapos si ma'am anak ko. Kasi parang ang sweet girl niya po doon. Ilalagay ko yun doon kasi minsan mo lang makita sa edit. This is our charging stage. Charging stage after rounds. So right now, we're sa mama show. Mag-ilinit kami po. Hi vlog!
Ayaw mo na sumama.
So we're going sa
Mga mahihain.
before para mag-hit ng food. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Pakita mo yung ano mo guys. Kaya sa loob na kami.
We're gonna do our eatings. We're gonna eat, yeah.
You drink.
Rar, rar, rar. Pag may concern checking, mag-a-ask you, ka-checkan ko. May concern siya.
So, ito yung 4.5 na tip and open.
Yes.
Card na. So, yung tatlong, ay yung limang charge na good for 3 doses for
Nag-start, tapos mukhang hindi given yung 2,200. Nag-start yung 1.25.
Yung charge sa mga cases is not reflecting. Or automatic pa talaga?
I did not charge? Yeah? Wait, but it's 4, di ba? I put 4. I'll get you. Pero girl, can you get me Daisy for ay 2.5? Apat. We'll go to those and check. Thank you. I print sticker. Kasi nag-charge ko. Nag-repatan pa yun. Thank you so much. You're so good. Thank you, Ma'am Eli.
723 daw. Anong concern?
Ano kasi, sent ni patient to 3.375 grams Q6.
Bakit makapalit ako ng 3.375? Ano pinasok 2.25?
4.5 ma'am, pero I was planning to retranscribe it to 2.25 po.
Ah, sige.
Yeah, you're good.
Wait lang. Nabigay na siguro yun. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up.
When did you plan to change it? Hello?
1, 2, 4. Divided by 50. Ayun, padala ako na charge niyo, Ma'am Annette. Padala ka ng 6 na virus ng 2.25.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Bye po.
Bye.
I'm so done. And that wraps up
Uy, hindi lang yun.
and we're done.
Bye-bye to your vlog.
Bye everyone. Tapos